Dear students, in this video we'll discuss the trading loss relief methods for an unincorporated business, that is sole trader. So first of all, if a business has trading losses in a given tax year, so we'll talk about the possible relief methods available. How the business can get relief against their trading losses. So we can describe this as like that. One of the option we have is to carry back against total income. This is one of the option available. Another option we have that is called current year loss relief. We can offset against current year total income. The third one is we can offset the losses against next year trading income only. So we have these three options available, and along with these, in the current year we have one additional option which is subject to the offsetting against total income first, which is against chargeable gain. So as the carryback option, the same option here, that you can offset against chargeable gain, but the condition is that first you have to utilize the total income. And these are all possible options. This is not compulsory methods. You can opt any of these. And in case of current year and carryback, you can follow this order, like first current year, then carry forward. This is one of the option available, and other is current year, carry back, and forward. Remember, forward is an automatic option. So if you're not using any other option, the understood option available is carry forward. Another option might be you can use carry back first, then current year, and then forward. These are the possible options available. Now these are the standard options available for a business which is an ongoing business, a running business. Now what if a business has just started, that is the opening year loss? What if the business has decided to shut down, or the closure of the business or cessation of the business? Then we have some additional options available. So one of the option is special opening year loss relief. And when you can opt this option is only available for a new unincorporated business. And there are quite good chances that a business has losses in initial years. So the definition of opening year loss is the first 4 years trading losses are covered under special opening year loss relief. Then we have the cessation, closure of business. And here we have one special loss relief called terminal loss relief, which is only available for those business having the last business year. This is also a special rule. So on the whole, we have, for an unincorporated business, there are 5 possible methods, and if we will add chargeable gain, this will be next 6 method as well. So first, for the ongoing business, we have current year, carry back, and carry forward. Then for special opening year method, available for those businesses having loss in in new years or in the initial years, then we have those businesses having cessation, so we have terminal loss relief available possible. Now let's talk about the further rules regarding the methods. So if a business is using carry forward loss relief method, then the business has to offset the current year losses, and the time period is indefinite, against trading profit of the same trade, and partial offset is not allowed. That means you have to utilize the full amount in the next year. Suppose, for example, in the tax year 24-25, we have trading loss of 60,000, and in the next year we have a possibility of a gain of around 70,000 profit. And if someone want to use only 40,000 loss relief in the next year, then this is not possible. Now the next thing is current year loss relief, and here this is an optional loss relief, has to be set off against total income. Partial offset is not allowed to set off against total income. And also remember, there is a cap, that is the maximum limit, that you cannot offset beyond that limit, and this limit is greater of £50,000 and 25% of adjusted total income. So accordingly, first we have to calculate that what is the maximum limit available, and then we have to decide how much to offset. Remember, partial offsetting is not allowed. Suppose, let's assume that the tax year 24-25, we have a trading loss of 80,000, and we have total income in the same year, we have total income which is suppose 60,000, then how much loss can be offset? Now, as you can see here, the total income is 60,000, so 25% of that is 15,000. So technically we have a cap of 50,000 and 25% of adjusted total income, this is, so the greater of is, so this is the maximum value that we can offset against this. So we have income available in the current year 60,000, and if you want to opt this, we can deduct only 50,000 out of 80,000, not 60,000, and after this there will be net income of 10,000 available. So this is the concept of cap against current year. Now another option we have, it's the last year, that is carry back relief. Again, this is optional, and partial offsetting is not allowed here as well. Partial offset not allowed. Cap, which is the same as current year, but there is no restriction against trading profit. Means in the last year, if you have trading profit available, you can offset as much as possible against that trading profit. But for other income, there is a restriction, and that restriction is, we have already discussed, you have to follow the cap requirement. You can carry back only 12 months. You cannot go beyond 12 months. This is also restricted. Now, as far as the special opening year loss relief, again this is optional, only available against first 4 years of trading in which we have trading loss. Carry back 36 month, 3 years. Order first in, first out. Partial offset is not allowed. Not permitted. And obviously you have to offset against other income. There is no cap restriction on this. And the last one, we have terminal loss relief in the year of cessation. What is a terminal loss? A terminal loss is a loss of last 12 months of trading. So terminal loss by definition is 12 months of trading. So in the year of cessation, along with other options, we have terminal loss. Again, this is an optional one. Against trading profit, you can carry back against trading profit. Time limit is 36 months. Order is now last in, first out, not first in, first out. Partial offset is not allowed. So last in, first out means if the year of cessation is 24-25 and we have a loss in it, so the last one is, first you have to use 23-24, then 22-23, and then 21-22. These are the last 3 years in which we can offset terminal losses. So these are the possible options available for an unincorporated business, that how the unincorporated business can offset loss relief. If you want to watch some other videos like this, do try to follow the YouTube channel.